Okay, so topic till today we have discussed that is a social media channel and social media strategies. So social media channels related topics we have seen with this introduction. Then key terms and concepts which are using in the this one, social media channels. Then examples of this we have discussed. Then traditional media versus social media, what are the differences? Then it comes types of social media channels or how this social media really works with the some of the processes in the form of bookmarking and aggregating. Then content creating and sharing, how they content create and how they share in the YouTube. Then third as a process in the form of social networking, which connects the people here based on either Facebook, LinkedIn, all this it can be done. Then finally as location and social media, how they will be going to see here. This has been given the example also in a photo. You can attach the location where you are exactly. So that is the one more. Then tracking social media campaign. This is important. How they are going to track whether how this social media is really working. This also we have discussed. Then social media and marketing. Some of the rules for engagement. How you can make this viewers to be engaged. And benefits from the social media to the marketers, how this will be at present generation, what this social media will be contributing for the marketers, that already done. Then social media marketing challenges, what and all here, the challenges it will be there to face as a marketer here. So social media strategy as a second part of this unit, social media strategy introduction we have seen with its term and concepts. Then using this social media to solve some business challenges, what and all the challenges it is there for a business here. With all these 8 components we have already learned, like communication and outreach, how it will be to the viewers or customers. Community management, how you are going to do in the deck pages to create all this, how it will work. Support and customer service should be required. Then reputation management, you have to maintain a reputation of your particular website. Advertising and awareness. So how they are going to advertise and awareness. Sales and lead generation. So how many customers, or maybe you can generate the lead here in the form of the customers, traffic can get to the particular website. Then search engine optimization, your page should be visible in the first or maybe the ranking order. Insight and research related aspects can also be done. This social media related information can be useful for the research to be conducted. Then one more topic as step-by-step guide for creating social media strategy. You have seen here around 7 steps to be how they can go for. Till there, the concepts we have discussed. Now for this class, it is documentation and processes. Once they go with the process, they will see here what are the document and processes they need to keep under the social media strategy. Community guidelines, they have to follow some rules and regulations. What this helps for the pages to create, that they have to look into. Then content plan, how they are going to, what content, how the content is whether useful for the viewers, all this they have to decide. Then communication and escalation protocols, so they have to see here what are the information, like how communication escalation protocols will be, like anticipated your messages, like any questions, frequently asked questions, then standard responses what you have given in the form of either positive and negative. Then guidelines for determining the sentiment and risk of the messages, which includes the flagging system for comments and that need more such attention. And crisis management, how to handle this crisis. Then an escalation plan for manage that need to be, like escalation in the sense how you can go for planning again if there is some communication gap or maybe some negative all these comments, how it can be done. So contact details for relevant stakeholders, guidelines for responding including response rate, what and all. So all this it includes under the second, like documentation and processes. In that, community guidelines will be the first, then content plan, then community and escalation protocol. Then it will come as the social media responses here in the form of positive or neutral, or maybe how the response, like how whether it is possible to like positive range from a satisfaction to the Dissatisfaction with the brand, if any. Okay, negative in the form of, I think Pradnya is trying to come, but I couldn't admit her. I'm giving admit many times, but she is not able to connect. Okay, negative, like what are the positive comments here, how it should be handled, then how this negative comments will be handled. So ranges from satisfied to the customers, then neutral or maybe basic to the complex. The negative comments are urgent, anything to be solved, like any abusive comments, how it to be should not be visible on your website. All this need to be think. The next concept is dealing with opportunities and threats. How this social media strategy will be really acting as a opportunity, or maybe it might be a threat for the organization, that need to be decided. So you have to see, you have to see when you can go with the to talk to a particular customer, when to talk, so that need to be known, and when everything being said is neutral, then when negative things are to be said. So then responding, how it should be, how to give a response to the customers on a social media should be personalized or individual. You cannot give some of the response to the like overall or maybe generalized. So to see that, it should be a personal based. Then next topic is step-by-step guide for recovering from an online brand attack. So how, if any case the products or maybe it will be having some brand attack, so be prepared for that. Then act immediately. Then if what they are saying is false, if the viewers or customers are saying false, so see that how it went wrong, all this to be discussed. And if what they are saying is true, if customers are saying it's true, go through that, apologize them, telling that there's some mistakes had happened. So keep the negative pages out of your search engine. So this is the one step-by-step process for recovering from online brand attack. It can be done with these 5 steps. Now finally, as a last topic, social media strategy risks and challenges. So you have to see what are the risks and challenges are there. Like no one cares here, because customers, they feel that when information has been put here, you have to feel that whether customers are really like your message or a content or not. That is the thing, that mentality of the viewers or maybe customers is they won't care for your messages, that you have to see whether they would like to hear from you. Then second, as the social media space is used by unhappy customers. Sometimes they will be using unhappy customers, they put some negative comments, all this that need to be faced. It requires it requires ongoing attention and monitoring from the particular sales channel. So you have to go with monitoring these strategies, whether it will be really working, or how the present status of that particular strategy. And finally, it can be difficult to measure the impact of the campaign. So because of all this, we cannot go with the measuring, or here data analytics will be little bit tough. So that is how this is a social media strategy challenges and risks. So this comes to an end for a unit 6 for this class, one class.